Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to save tax for government employees. First, let's understand the unique tax advantages available to you. Government employees often have access to specific retirement plans and benefits that can significantly reduce their taxable income. We'll cover how to identify these opportunities and make the most of them. It's about being proactive with your financial planning to ensure you keep more of your hard-earned money. A key strategy is maximizing your retirement savings. The Thrift Savings Plan, or TSP, is a powerful tool. Contributing the maximum amount, especially if you're eligible for catch-up contributions, can significantly lower your current taxable income. Also, consider the Roth TSP option. While contributions are after tax, qualified withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free, offering a great future benefit. Beyond retirement, exploring deductions and credits is crucial. Many government employees overlook potential itemized deductions that can reduce their taxable income. Additionally, various tax credits can directly lower the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. Maintaining excellent records of all work-related expenses, like professional development or uniforms, will help you claim everything you're entitled to. To wrap up, smart tax planning is an ongoing process. Regularly reviewing your W-4 form ensures your withholding is accurate, preventing surprises at tax time. For personalized guidance, consider consulting a tax professional who understands government employee benefits. They can offer tailored advice to optimize your savings. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.